And action!
Alex, how come bumaba ka sa rank ko sa Brandon? What the hell have you been doing?
Bagong student. Magaling siya.
So you admit na mas magaling siya sa'yo? That's so embarrassing, Alex. Your brother Andrew is top of his class in med school. Jameson is top of his class sa law school in New York.
And I've heard na natalibar sa region ng Cristo. Tingnan yung mga anak. It's like a school project. Ano yung mechanics? Simpleng calculation na lang hindi mo pa nagawa ng tama.
I'll do better. Leandro, ayusin ko ang alas.
You should.